Gimme. Mummy want gimme.
Suckle on the gimme.
Oh, gimme.
Disgusted.
That is disgusting.
Cheers, dog. Lovely stuff. So, we got the beer, we got sun. So I kind of wanted to do like a nice summery food. So we're gonna do sort of like Greek gyros, which is my favorite food in the world when you're in Greece. And they give you like a nice cone wrap of a gyros and a mythos. Me and Andy went to Greece and we had that literally every meal, didn't we?
Yeah. It
was just unreal. So we're kind of gonna do the same. It's not gonna be like super authentic, but we kind of wanna like do it in spirit. So, first thing we're gonna do is make some chips, some Maris Pipers. I would normally parboil these for like 10 minutes, get them real soft, and then air fry them, because that makes really good chips, but I can't be asked. So, we're just gonna nice big chips. Chips, oil, salt. Right, they're on. Then I'm gonna do chicken in there as well. Salt, mixed herbs, garlic granules. This is actual Greek yogurt, not Greek style, Greek. So it's like really, look how thick it is.
Yeah, one.
Do that. So that's that. Next, this is like the main part of this whole thing, is homemade tzatziki, which is honestly the best thing ever. So, loads of Greek yogurt, olive oil. Where do you come from? The main part of tzatziki is the cucumber, so it's like cucumber yogurt sort of thing. We're gonna grate a whole cucumber. So basically, because cucumber has loads of water in it,
Getting all the water out.
you don't want to make a watery tzatziki. Dill, integral ingredient. So we're just gonna in there. Then you want salt, clove of garlic, lemon, that mix. Chips are chipping.
Good.
Oh my god. One bang.
It's fine.
Oh yeah. Oh mama. Alright, so we've got chips, we've got chicken, we've got tzatziki, and basically we're just going to put them on these, which are like the nicest pitas that I can find. And then we're going to do some red onions, some tomato, and make a little salad. Once you've got the potatoes cooking, they take 20 minutes, you can do all of this in that time, so it is kind of a 20-minute meal. Salty tomatoes, always salt tomatoes. Oh my god. Red onion. In the mix. I got a bit of mint from my garden. That makes me sound really posh. It's literally this feral bush that grows outside of my fence. It's not even in my garden, it's like outside my garden. And then I was like, hey, that's mint. Get it?
Yeah.
Loads of cats and dogs are pissed on it, so I'm not even washing it.
Oh, lush.
Parsley. Parsley in. Oil. And pepper. Fresh summer tomato salad thing. them softened up a bit. Let's assemble. So, we're gonna start off with tzatziki. Don't be shy with this, because it's the best. Some chicken. And then, last but not least, a bit of fresh salad. Stop, don't eat all that tzatziki, honest, I'll fucking kill you. And that is gyros done.
Just zip tie the ends, innit? Chicken wrap, mate.
You want the chicken wrap?
Oh, look at that cross section.
Oh.
Lush.
Cheers, bro.
Gyros. Gyros. Go for it.
That's bang.
Yeah. Yeah, what the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell?
That tzatziki is crazy.
If I close my eyes, this will be mythos and we're in Greece. It just looks amazing.
Really
Doesn't
does.
it?
Yeah,
Tastes
spot on.
fire.
Teetering on the end, look.
There you go. That is a wrap and a half in it.
So good.
There you go.
That was unreal already.
Yeah? Quite summery, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Very summery meal. What do you reckon, Anne?
Oh, so good. So good.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
I'm in Greece.
you are in Greece. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh.
Every now and again I get a little taste of that mint in the tomatoes, so it's really good. I haven't even touched my second one yet.